Top 3. XL padded seat. Extra large fully padded seat and backrest for maximum comfort while exercising. Keep your water bottle close at hand with the convenient water bottle holder behind the seat. Belt drive. Low maintenance yet durable. The smooth belt drive keeps your ride silent and stable. The 3-pound flywheel. It supports 10 levels of adjustable magnetic resistance, keeping the upright bike high quality and powerful. Comfort and safety. Foam-coated handles support stability. Completely fold and transport product with wheels. Included components: exercise bike, user manual, hardware, tool, batteries, sport type, exercise and fitness. Top 2. Includes 3 expert-guided online workouts. Follow along with an elite trainer and get the most out of the bike. Streams to your smartphone, tablet, PC or smart TV. Includes the getting started routine, level 1 cardio plus strength routine and level 2 Tabata routine. 8 magnetic resistance levels. Turn the tension dial to adjust the smooth, quiet magnetic resistance to your desired intensity level. Pulse sensors. Place your hands on the padded handlebar pulse sensors to keep track of your heart rate while pedaling. Enhanced relaxation. Includes a wide, cushioned seat, handlebars with multiple grip positions, textured pedals with adjustable straps, device tray, and built-in wheels. Top 1. Solid X-frame design folds to just 20.5 inches by 20 inches of floor space when not in use. The padded lower back pad and large seat for comfort and support. 2 inches by 1 inches LCD window is easy to read with all the necessary information, clearly displays speed, distance, time, calories, and pulse. 8 levels of manual resistance are easily controlled through the large dial tension knob for users of all fitness levels. Adjustable seat. 3-piece pedal crank for added durability. No custom or preset program. Check the description below on where to buy it.